Hello guys, hi, welcome back to Turtle Time and a little more Animal Crossing New Horizons. Look, I got Pietro's Amiibo to work again. That's 2 days in a row now on my island, although I didn't record it the first time. I really want to make a special little area for him, like a little amusement park area. So let's get him invited. Go say hi to him. So I thought I'd better start recording. Let me turn my speakers down. I have new speakers. They're a little bit louder. Okay. Hello, Pietro here. Merci for calling me. So, what's up, honk honk? Whoa, you're putting me on the guest list for the campsite? Well, how could I say no? Just give me a few moments to compose myself, okay? So yeah, I didn't play much yesterday. I'm doing some little projects around well, not really around the house, but in my office. Got some new speakers because mine kept shorting out. And then a few other little just kind of desk and office items I had to hook up and organize. Might as well grab the box. I don't know why. Oh, tangled cords. Nice. So there we go. And my cat is laying right next to me and she's snoring. I think what I'm going to do this morning is work on the bedroom in my house. I grabbed my bed that I had in my main room and just a bunch of other random stuff that I'm going to go take to have customized. Hi, Leaf. I'll talk to you later. Oh, wait. I'm like, where am I going? Which way do I go to get to my campsite? I haven't finished putting up ramps and things. Up, up, come on, up. There you go. Yeah, I'm gonna need this money. So yeah, I did a video on Saturday for Happy Home Paradise, and that was fun. And then Sunday, I spent the day cutting up about 18 pounds of fudge that I had made on Friday and Saturday and boxing that up. So I just didn't have a whole lot of time to play and record Sunday or yesterday. And it's a bummer. I still need so many of the Toy Day DIYs. I wanted to decorate the main room of my house for Toy Day. Oh, look at him. And I just haven't. That's all right. If I don't get it done this year, it's all right. The game will still be here next year. Hey, glad to be here. Where am I? Oh, buddy. You're the Turtle Time campsite. I just had a wild idea. Why don't we make something Turtle Time themed? Something like a decayed tree. I don't know that, I don't think. I could give it a try. One tiny detail. You probably need the recipe. Well, voila. That's a word I made up that means here's the recipe for a decayed tree. Oh, Pietro, thank you. All right, now you won't have any problem getting that done today, right? I'm leaving tomorrow, see? You got it, bud. Let's see what we need for it. He's just so adorable. I don't know what it is I love about him so much, but it's just a gut thing and I love him. And so I'm sorry, Quilson, your days are numbered. I might wait till I have Pietro's area all designed and ready to go before I invite him for a third time. Let's see what we need. Just hardwood. Giggity. There's little Miss Maple looking so cute. Oh, and it's, excuse me, it's still kind of early here, so I haven't really spoken at all today except to get my dogs up and outside. So my voice isn't awake yet. I gotta find that sweet spot in the day where I'm not too raspy, not too hoarse. Dogs aren't too hyper. Oh well, it is what it is. Hardwood, yes. I'm gonna need to also make some partitions and maybe columns or pillars for the bedroom. I'll worry about that when we're in the house. But first, I want to go have everything customized. I think I'm going to do an accent wall. Make it look like... Oop, jeez. Jeez Louise, there we go. Oh, it is customizable. I'm just curious what I can want to look at the options. So I don't think I'm going to make a little patio, but maybe a balcony. Oh my gosh, I was seeing maple and trying to say balcony while thinking maple. Hi Moxie, honey. What's the latest, Maple? Isn't fresh air a great way to wake yourself up, honey? It sure is. I was just out with the dogs and it's not sure I should look. It's 45 degrees out, which to some people probably seems like shorts weather. But for those of us in California, that's cold. I was only, I wasn't as dressed as maybe one should be when going outside in 45-degree weather. And there's a little bit of a wind, and that sure woke me up. Oh, I really like the mossy and the white. Oh, those are neat. Okay, well, we're not going to customize it right now. Let's go give it to him. Then we'll pick up our stuff and go see Cyrus for some customization. See if Red has any new artwork. I bought a fake statue yesterday. I am done. Here you go, Pietro. Honestly, you've done so much for me. I hope I can repay you once I'm a lot more famous. Expressing myself with words isn't my forte. I prefer to communicate through material goods. This gift should say it all. It's a tropical cut and sew tank. All right. Let's try that on. Another beautiful piece for my collection of memories, that is. In all seriousness, this place checks all my boxes. I just hope this isn't the last time I get to visit. Hint, hint. Oh no, you'll be back soon enough. Time passes slower on this island. You should move here. Your invitation makes me happy, but I don't think I'm ready for that type of commitment yet. I know, buddy. I'd want to truly understand the deeper meaning of the name. Okay, so we will invite you again very soon. Oh my gosh, my cat's snoring is so loud. Oh, that's cute. It's very rare I get a piece of clothing that I like. I like that. I'm not going to wear it while it's snowing. Definitely a keeper. Good job, Pietro. Oh, I just noticed his feet are even two different colors. Or his hands, too. Seriously, can you hear that snoring? I should turn my filter off. Then you could really hear it. And put that away. She's gonna make me sleepy. All right, let's head to the airport. Oh, there's a fossil up there. I've completed my museum, so I still let's see if anybody's crafting. I still dig them up though, turn them in, get them assessed so I can give them out as gifts. I haven't been giving anything other than fossils or fruit, other than a few cooked items as gifts. Hi, Hornsby. We'll be able to decorate your house soon. I think I only have one or two more to do. Oh, goody. Safety helmet with lamp. Same color as my shirt. But is it, though? Yeah, let's see how cool I look, man. Yeah, well, I guess there's a blue strap on it, and there's blue. I don't hate it as far as safety helmets go, but yeah. Thanks, Hornsby. I think it'll be fun to do his house and make it look like he has an accent wall on the right-hand side there, looking out like at a watery scene. Too bad you can't make custom wallpaper, because how cool would it be to come out here, take a screenshot of this area, and make that look like... Oh, I hear you, Mole Cricket. Make it make it look like it's the view from his house is the actual view from his house. Just hoping for a Toy Day DIY, please, and thank you. Okay, I'm not feeling very social right now. I'm in a hurry to go get things customized. I just want my DIY. Oh, Miss Scarlet, that snore. Let's see if Robin is crafting. She is. I'm so sorry. I was engrossed in my crafting project. Would you like to know what I'm making? Yes, please. Working on illuminated. Yes, illuminated reindeer. Awesome. We can put them outside. I need that like snowflakey one too. Nice. I have a little area just in front of my little plaza where I've started putting out Christmas decorations. I don't know. I'm just not the most creative when it comes to it, but it makes me happy at night when it's kind of lit up. I wish I think there's an item in game I've seen people use, like a little glowing cube. I need to learn that or get that or figure out how one goes about getting something like that. So I've just been kind of throwing stuff out here and I haven't done anything super fancy, but I think some glowing reindeer here would look really cute. So yeah, I'll make some of those later. I mean, I'm slowly getting more recipes, but I don't think I'm even going to have them all before Toy Day. I just haven't been spending the time popping balloons. Let's see if there's anything for my bedroom in here. I don't have a whole lot of stuff. I'm just going to make do with what I have just to get it started. Nope, nothing in here that I need. I already have several of the robot. Bye, guys. And I did not buy turnips this week. I needed a week off from it. I'll hit up the ATM at Harv's Island. I love that I made a little snow person just as you land on my island. And I cheated. I couldn't make it took me 3 tries to get him perfect. I had to quit my game. I really should watch a refresher video on the different methods of making a perfect one, but I just kind of like eyeballing it. Harv's Island. Thanks, Orville. Let's go. Oh, and I got my next gift with Brewster on Sunday, I think it was. It's the coffee grinder. I'm not sure what comes after that, if maybe that was the last one before the gyroid or not. I don't know. It's kind of nice being surprised. Touchdown like eating free pizza in a glockenspiel. We are parked and proud. Oh, Wilbur, you're adorable. Do I have money for craft? Oh, I've got like 82K on me. Never mind. And I already bought some socks from Kicks. Well, I have the one on the right, which is a fake. I have the fake one. This one, I think based on the angle of the guy's arm in the back window or door there, I think this is also a fake. But I don't think I have it yet, so I'm going to buy it. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all of these fakes I keep buying. I don't know. And Leaf is on our island. Not gonna worry about Katrina. Do I have anything? Let's just put this hat in storage. Hi, Tortimer. I just want to put this hat away. I only want the things I'm thinking of using in my room. Oh yeah, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. Okay. No, that'll do it, thank you. Orf. I really want to play the older versions of this game, but I don't have... I do still have my Wii and my DS, but my DS wouldn't turn on the last time I tried. So let's see what options we have. Okay, that was something I crafted and can customize. I would love these more if they weren't patchwork. But I also really like the shape of them. I'm thinking of going with the cute. And then we'll just do some bright, cute walls. I have the Aurora wall up right now as a accent wall, but I don't think I'll keep it. And watch me just decide not to use these pieces at all. We'll see. Do I want to do this? I guess I can keep it. Let's maybe go white. I don't know that I'm going to use it. I have the elegant bed, sofa, and chair as well. So if I changed my mind and wanted something a little more fancy or upscale, I could switch to those. Let's see. Yep, yeah, there's sofa chair. That's just so busy. I don't know why I'm doing it. We'll see if I like it once it's in the space. Oh, look at Reese. She just loves her guy. It's sweet. I have not yet done the wedding event. I didn't start playing when the game first came out in 2020 until July. And then I stopped playing around the end of May, early June before it started up. Oh yeah. Do I want to use these as a table in there? I don't know if I have a pattern that really goes with the patchwork. Yeah. Well, let's keep looking. Whoa. Oh my God, my cat is so loud. Ooh, that's very busy. I like that print, but that would not go, I don't think. It might. Well, I'm trying to think of what colors would go the best. Pizza. I'm quiet because I'm thinking. Oh, the newsprint could be kind of interesting. No, I don't know. I should have thought about this before I brought it here. That's creepy. Ooh, could you just clear? That might work, actually. Just have it white. With silver legs, I guess? Yeah. Let's see how that looks in the room, because I think there's some white in the pattern of the patchwork stuff. I'm gonna put stuff on them anyway, so... Oh, now the bed. Excuse me again. Oh, that's sweet. They have a nursery pattern. That is cute. Wow, that is really a lot of look. It's so against what I do in my real life. Maybe that's why I do it, though. Maybe I'm just kind of boring at home with my design. Because like our comforter at home is just kind of a gray and white. Kind of a little, not a ton of, like, it's not a bold stripe. It's a very subtle kind of look. So maybe that's why I'm going so bold in game. It's a seersucker. That's what I was trying to say. It's like a seersucker material. It's cute, though. It doesn't sound cute, but it is cute. Nook's Cranny. All right. I could do them with wreaths for Christmas. I don't think so. We'll just go plain white. I know I'm boring, but when the rest of the room is so bold. Well, let's see what else we have. Oh, Scarlet. Gosh, baby girl. I almost want to wake her up, but then she's just going to start yelling for kibble, even though she has kibble. Oh yeah, I was wondering if I wanted to use that as an end table in there, but I don't think so. I might put the desk in there, I'll probably leave it white, although I like the white with wood. We'll leave it light or white. So wait, can I customize these myself? Oh yeah, I did craft these, didn't I? So I could just customize them. Oh, I'm here. Probably white. Can you guys hear that? Oh my god. Let's go with the seaside photo. So yeah, I probably could have just done that. It doesn't have the big R for Reese on it. But we're here. See how many more we have. We're getting close to done. Piggy bank. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll go with a lighter color than the pink. No, we're going to keep it as is. This is one I crafted. So I could customize it, but we're here. Let's leave it white and just remove. Pardon me, I am so sorry for the throat clearing. Remove the cloth on top. I forget how many customization kits it takes to do that. So I don't know if I'm losing money or if it's about the same. Yep, just a few more things, Cyrus. Thank you. Although I feel like Reese could stand here and watch him do this all day. Yeah, white. Probably the pastel flowers. Yeah. I don't have the like upright one that goes with that. And then I think I have the little hanging wall shelf with plushies on it and the little cabinet with plushies. So let's just get those customized so we'll be good to go. I don't know if I'll use them. But you know, Moxie is kind of a plushie kind of girl. Yeah, the dreamy wall rack and shelves. White. Yeah, let's go white. Well, forgot to mute my phone, but let's see. I'm expecting a couple messages like from my husband and stuff. I feel bad. I missed a phone call. It's just garbage. Missed a phone call from my bestest friend in the whole wide world. We've been friends since the 3rd grade. Many years ago. So I sent her a message first thing this morning. All right, so let's go back. I'm going to craft some partitions. Maybe I'll leave the Aurora wall up. I don't know. We'll see. Got to figure out what wallpaper to use. Sorry that took so long. That was a lot of items to customize and then just listen to me ramble. And my cat snore. Train wreck Panna Cotta is reporting Tango ice skating is go. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's pack snacks and make tracks. This is way more fun than real life decorating. Okay. Hi, let's say hi to you before I forget. Thank you. Let's say hi to you too. Thank you. I can't remember if I said hi to this one. Yep. Thank you. And I'll check my mail later. It's mostly just some garden lanterns that I got that I need around the island. And then the fake art from Red. So yeah, I had that bed and table here. I've moved it. Uh-oh, Scarlett's awake. We're all in trouble now. Hi, baby girl. You gonna jump down, get a little more breakfast? Yeah. I really should get a cat cam. I say that every few videos. So, I wish we could make our rooms bigger. So I need to make the... Let's just grab... I know I don't have a ton of room. Oh, I have one. I don't know that I'm going to need... Oh, maybe in front of the window. So I can make another one of those. We'll go with the white. I think I need clay. Let me look up what I need to make them. I don't even know what they're categorized under. Is it other? Yeah. Wood. Okay, regular wood and clay. And then the 3 different types of wood. No, I want the white one. Clay and stone. So regular wood, clay, and stone. And my customization kits. I just almost put down my storage shed. Look at all these gyroids. Clay, wood, stone, customization. I don't remember how many I need. Okay. And put down my DIY bench. Let's craft. Oh, it looks so pretty, snowing outside. I'm gonna make... Well, you know, this room isn't that big. Let's just do one for each side right now. Let's make like 2 of these. And then the pillar, column, whatever. Simple pillar. We'll put them in place, see how they look, and fiddle around with wallpapers. Has anybody else noticed, like after playing the DLC and being able to decorate rooms so easily, like just being able to copy something like that? It's like now almost not painful, but a lot harder when you're at home now. Oh, see, that's not much of a view. I see this would work better. Should I make my downstairs my bedroom? Because that's kind of... I don't know. I mean, it could work. Whoops, I keep hitting the wrong thing. I'm so used to... I guess 2 wide's not bad. I feel like I want to do something really fun with my basement. I just don't know what. So I thought this would be a good size for a bedroom. Oh, you know what I don't have? Is the DIY for... Oh, that's kind of neat for a window, though. I don't have the glow-in-the-dark sticker DIY, do I? Oh, I need those because I want to do a railing or a window technique. Well, it's just something to look forward to learning. So let's play with the wallpapers. And wait, are these customizable? I don't think they are. The low simple island counter. I don't know that I like the white. I might end up doing... Oh, it is. Okay. Pink, pale blue. So I can change it once we've figured out... Oh, gray would work too. All right, we'll leave it in place as white for now. Let's look for wallpapers. I want to look more at accent walls first. Maybe I should put my furniture in place too. before I really start fussing with everything. Yeah, let's put the furniture down. Hi, Scarlett. What you doing? I almost wonder if I should put one of these fit. No, it doesn't quite fit in that spot. Because now I don't have room to do what I was going to do with the chairs. Although I don't have to have... What if I didn't have that and had... third one? Oh, I already put it in storage, didn't I? Did I? Well, it takes a while. Get up to the top, please. I think it should be... Yeah, there we go. No, that still doesn't work. I just wanted to see if that size of a space would work better. Nope. I'll get it figured out. Let's just try. Definitely want the column, though, I think. Oh, wait, I do have to put the panel first. Oh, maybe I want the bed at the base of the window. And then I could put some stuff on the shelf behind it. That's kind of neat. That's actually not a bad idea, maybe. Oop. I always exit out of that when I don't mean to. Because I originally had thought of putting a little sitting area, but with the columns it doesn't work as well. So what if we do this? And then for bedside tables, I never really know what to use. Let's see how these look. And then I don't know what I could do behind there, like plants or something. I don't know. Let's see what I have in my inventory. Oop, let's go by type. Okay. Oh, wait, I want everything. There we go. Do I have a couple of those planter boxes? Would that fit back there? No. Well, maybe if I got rid of... No. Okay, that's not gonna work. I don't think much will fit back there. It's just like a 1x2 space. I don't like the TV trays for the bedside table. We'll put one there. Put you in storage. And this may just still be a work in progress that I work on a little bit here and there. What else do we have? No. Put a little desk over here, maybe. I'm not so sure I want a desk in here. I want this in storage because it's going to keep confusing me. Oh, that's true. We should have a dresser and stuff too. I could put a dresser over on this side. That might work. I need to customize that. But yeah, that could go there. Not hating this yet. I still have to figure out wallpaper, but so. Oh yeah. I don't think these are going to work in the room. They're too big. I'll probably use those in my main room. Is that the way I want that to go? I might not even use an end table. Oh gosh, stop. Stop. Because I can put stuff back here. I don't think... Oh, I forgot we have this. Yeah, too big for the room. What else did we have? What's that? Dreamy wall rack, dreamy shelves. I don't think I'm going to use those either in here. I mean, they could go over here with the shelves above it, but... Like maybe instead of this... Oh, I should have just moved that. No. No. So, would this work in here? I think not. I have one up in the kitchen. We've got a fireplace in the living room. So these are also a no. All right, let's go back into our storage. Let's get my little TV tray table back. Can I use, like maybe at the foot? Oh, gosh dang it. Come back. What if I put a couple of these at the foot of the bed? I'll have to buy another one. Or even as a little footstool here. That might be a little busy. Maybe we'll just set it next to the bed or the mirror. Maybe. Let's just kind of, well, I want my TV tray or some table. Oh, I could use an ironwood chair maybe as a little end table. Just customize it. Did they come in? I've got to see what I can customize those in. Let's just plop this down now while I'm thinking about it. Oh yeah, I have a dresser in the other room. Do I have any already made or purchased that might work? The cute wardrobe may be customized. Does that come in white? I'd have to go, I think, and have it done. I think I'll go grab the one I have made. I know. Oh, do I have my customization kits? Yes. So I know I will need to, let's see, customize that. Get the little ironwood table. Oh, I need to customize this. So I'm thinking maybe once I have the furniture in place, I'll kind of have an idea of what wallpaper to use. I really need those glow-in-the-dark stickers so I can make my window look like a window. I'll just make everything white. Oh, it is already white. That's handy. Don't need that. I can customize Mama Bear. We might put... Oh, that's right. It's only just the shirt. No, she's going to go in storage for now. Okay, this needs to be white. I think that was all. Oh, nope, the ironwood chair. You guys didn't remind me. I don't think it comes in a white, though. Oh, well, can try that. I'm sure the Happy Home people will have something to say about my miscolored furniture, but I don't care. I could always put that footstool in the corner as well. But I really want a little table or something. And I know I could make a little table. Yeah, they're not going to approve of that at all. Let's see how this looks. I think I can put items on it. Yeah, we'll do that. That looks better. Oh, I keep going into my inventory instead of my pockets. Might even put a plant there or a lamp. We'll see. I did it again every time. Put a little piggy bank up here. Okay, it's just habit. It's muscle memory from that goes in storage. Well, yeah. Oh, that's also for storage. So we'll put that over here. Not bad. And maybe some plants or something. I really want... Let's see how the little ironwood chair looks next to the bed. Oh, I could customize the rattan stools, do those. That might be kind of sweet. They come in white with that little blue on top that might match. See, I can't get it right against the bed, and that's what's driving me nuts. That's what I'm not liking. So let's look at wallpapers now. That's what I used in my kitchen. Oh, it's dark in here. Let's turn the light on. Okay. No. I'm gonna just try everything. Okay, not everything. Whoa, that's busy. Shoot. Oop. Oh, that's kind of interesting, the dark skull with the bright pink patchwork. I do kind of like the darker wall with it, though. I don't really want to use that because I just used it upstairs. Maybe the blue. That's too formal. Wow, I don't have a whole lot of selection of walls, do I? Whoop. Birch flooring's kind of pretty. It's awful light. Do I have any, like, rugs that I would want to use in here? Those are all... I just don't have a real huge selection of things. That's kind of neat. Kind of wish it were a different color, but I'm going to keep it for now. That helps kind of break up the white floor. I think I'm going to keep the flooring. Let's just try some others. Ooh, kitschy. I really like that. I never use it, though. It's so busy. I know one day I'll find the right design for it. No, I think I like what we have. Oh, cloud flooring. So pretty. All right, well, I think that's a good start. Let's see what little things we have. Do we have any little... Got a lot of boxes. Anything I could put on the shelf. I might have to order some plants. Oh, I should figure out like if I want a TV. No TV. I know I can put stuff up on the dresser too. I have to remember that. Let's put Mom's candles there. I don't know if tabletop... Oh, speakers? Or... Oh, that's just a radio. It just plays whatever it wants, random. I like being able to pick the music. Is that kind of neat? Maybe. Barbie dolls. I could put my Barbie collection. No. God, I forgot some of the stuff I have. Maybe just the one plant there. And then I have to see if I have any hangy-uppy stuff. I don't think I want the terrarium. Maybe. We'll just put those both there. Oh, no, maybe books. Well, I got real excited about books, but I love to read. That's what I do when I go to bed at night. I read for like a half hour to an hour, depending on how long it takes my melatonin to kick in. And then, ooh, pancakes. That looks so yummy. I want pancakes. Maybe see, I need a little table so I could put my tablet on it. That works. Let's see what we have. As far as hanging decor. Oh, the cube lights. That could work. I think I like them in white too. I could go get them customized. See, I don't have a whole lot of stuff. I could do the hanging shelves, but they're kind of kitchen-y looking with the plates and stuff on them. So yeah, I just don't have a huge variety of things yet. Rather than one over the table area, we'll just put one on each side of the bed. Why am I not able to do this? Okay, that looks about right. And then what do we have as far as artwork? I could still use the Dreamy Wall Rack just because I didn't, that's kind of sweet. I might have to craft some wall planters or things. Oh, gyroids. How do I not have gyroids? And I definitely am going to need some music in here. So maybe instead of the candles, I should have the little record player there. Let's get the record player just out now. I have to have gyroids in every room. They make me happy. So we'll put the candles. Let's see. Put that there. No candles. Sorry, candles. And then I wish I could do a window. Once I have those stickers, I could actually do a window on that wall. Oop. Nope. Sorry, guys. I want you on the wall. There we go. So we'll just put a few more things on the wall and then wrap it up. Then I've got to run around and do my daily island chores, try and pop some balloons. How many is too many? I like the color of that one better. That might be a little too many. I have a problem. Do they have like an AA group for gyroids? Yeah, I might not use all of them, but I can't help myself. I have a problem. Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm a gyroidaholic. Oh gosh, you guys are so cute. I think I've gone a little overboard though. And so yeah, I'll probably craft some more like the wall planters or something. But this is a good start. I just wanted to get started on my bedroom. I guess that's good lighting. I don't know. Well, let's play with the lighting for just a minute. Let's see. I don't hate that. Let's fiddle with the orange for just a minute. There's something about the glow I kind of like. And I don't know if I still like the Aurora window. No, let's just leave the lighting alone, I think. Whoa, that's bright. Let's do that. Yeah. Let's pick a song. Oh, not get changed. I want a different record on the record player. There we go. Dang it. I keep using KK Lovers. I know I'm using it too much, but it's so good. So this is a good start to my little bedroom. I'll probably put some finishing touches on it later, maybe get rid of some gyroids. We'll see. But thank you for coming along with me while I decorated my little room. If you have any suggestions of what I could use, I would love to read them in the comments. So thank you so much. Take care.